Maraming napulot na aral. Tama po ba, mayang people? Happy ba kayo? Yes. Gusto ko po ata nila mag-extend pa ng isang buwan, no?
Isang buwan?
Ibig sabihin ng mga kapatid, no, isang buwan siguro milyones ang kailangan natin.
Milyones na.
At bibigay ko na po yung panahon para sa ating Brother Dan, para sa aral na ating mababasa sa Torah. Mababasa po ito sa Exodus 37.
Muli, Shabbat Shalom po sa ating lahat. Shabbat Shalom!
Happy Sabbath!
Happy Sabbath!
Sabbath Shalom!
It's really evident in my voice to yung, I'd say, souvenir sa katatapos lang na youth camp. And hindi ko biniblame ang youth camp because I'll keep this as a temporary souvenir. Temporary kasi mawawala dito. Pero alam mo yung pagod ka pero andun yung saya. And the hangover of the youth camp is still on the participants, on us facilitators, as well as on our young people who were able to attend the youth camp. And again, praise Yahweh for the success of the camp.
Hallelujah!
Hallelujah. Dala namin ang iba't ibang aral, lessons that we were able to obtain from the camp. It's not only the campers who learn something, but it's also us facilitators learning apart from the words shared, but also we have also learned something from the campers. Ang dami-daming kwento na na laman namin doon out from them. Now, proceeding to our Torah reading for this morning, I'll read to you Exodus, or in Hebrew, Shemoth, chapter 37. And Bezalel made the ark of acacia wood, 2.5 cubits long, and 1.5 cubits wide, and 1.5 cubits high. And he over